Ever wonder how gamers show FPS, GPU temp and CPU usage right on the screen while playing? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it using MSI Afterburner. Pretty simple and works on any game. First thing that we need to do is search MSI Afterburner, open the original website, and in here press on this, then download the installer. Website give me a zip file, so I extract it and then double click on the software to install. This not on tier 64 gamers is not the software that we need, so you can easily disable it and then press on install. English, step agreement. Okay, key point is make sure to check this option and then press on next. Again next, and then install. Press English. Okay, next. Accept the agreements. Next. This one is RivaTuner that shows FPS file gaming. Again next and press on. I just disabled this show readme option and press on finish. Right now the setup of MSI Afterburner is done. I just disabled this show readme and then press on finish. Shortcut of MSI Afterburner creates for me, so I just double click on it and see this menu. In the original website you will see these cool menus, but when you install it you will see these outdated menus. So if you want to resolve it, go to the settings, and in this part you need to find user interface. In here you can change your user interface UI. If I press an R1, I will see a preview in here. Based on the thing that you like, you can choose it, then press on OK. If you want to see FPS, GPU, and CPU temp in here, so go to the settings. In here, go to the monitoring tab, and in here, click the items you want. As an example, GPU temperature. Then check show in on-screen display. So I need to find CPU. Where are you? CPU usage. I found it. So again, in here, I will press on show on a screen display. I also need to find FPS. Okay, frame rate. I enable this checkbox. Okay, I let this one checked, and again press on show on a screen display. Now we enable the things that we need to see. I just press on OK. You might see this problem that when you close MSI Afterburner you won't see FPS. So let me again. Right now, when this software launches, you'll see CPU, GPU, and frame rate. So if you want to resolve it, go to setting. In the general tab, you need to enable start with Windows and start minimize, then press on OK. Press on save. You might say that, hey, I closed the software and again I won't see the FPS. But the tip is right now, if you again search software, MSI Afterburner software, click on it, you'll see FPS and all of the things sounds good. Can we customize these options? The answer is yes. So I press on logo key and click on this triangle. Select this software RivaTuner, and in here I can customize it. Okay, as an example, you can change this zoom level. Okay, if you want, you can enable on-screen display fill. This happens. After you customize it, the other option that you need to enable is start with Windows. You need to enable this one and then minimize this software.
I'm sorry, mister. Made me all mad.
If it helps, drop a like and subscribe for more cool videos. You can also see this video too. On that one, I create a bootable console with using my flash disk. See you there.